Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got another tip for you to improve your shortwave listening. Now, these are things that most of you probably already know, and some of you may have forgot, and there's a number of people that are just getting into shortwave listening, and that's probably the group that will enjoy this show the most. So here's tip number 3, and this is about antennas. Most antennas on portable shortwave radios, the little telescopic antenna, are way too short for shortwave listening. Even the Grundig 750 telescopic antenna, which is long compared to other ones, is only 3 feet, a little less than 3 feet. That's way too short for shortwave listening. An antenna for shortwave listening with the present propagation needs to be at least 20 feet, and that's short, but at least 20 feet. Many years ago, when the solar flux index was 150 and above, you could get a number of shortwave stations with a short antenna, such as those that came on your shortwave radio. But right now, the solar flux index is less than 100, and you're going to really struggle to get anything on those built-in telescopic antennas. Here's an example number 1, a very basic antenna that will improve reception to some degree is a 20-foot wire antenna such as the Sangean ANT-60, which is about 23 feet, and it costs about $20. The Sangean ANT-60 has a plug to insert into the external antenna port if the radio has one. Now, if your radio doesn't have one, the ANT-60 comes with an adapter that provides a clip-on function to the radio's telescopic antenna. Not the best setup. However, if you just hang this antenna in your house, it's most likely it will pick up a lot of RF noise from your other electronics in the house. Your cell phones, your routers, your computers, your mice, all those things are putting out RF noise. And if we just string the thing inside the house, it's going to pick up that RF noise and make listening worse. So it's best used outside. Another antenna that should improve shortwave listening is to make a simple wire antenna. The difference from the ANT-60 is that you hang the wire outside, you attach a shielded coax cable, and bring the signal into your house or shack. This is then connected to your radio. By doing this, you lower the chances of the RF noise getting into your radio. Another antenna that should improve shortwave listening is a loop antenna. An example of this is the Megaloop MLA-30 Plus, which is very inexpensive. It's only about $35. You can get it off of eBay. You can even get it off of Amazon. That's where I got mine. And it does not take up a lot of room. The outer diameter, now this wire here, which is coiled and you uncoil it, is about 3 foot diameter. And it even comes with the coax cable. This is the preamplifier, and this is the little power supply that supplies power to that preamplifier. And it uses a USB cable to provide power to it. You have to supply the source of the USB power. All right, moving on. Other examples of vertical antennas. I use the MFJ 31-foot vertical antenna, dipole antennas, and you can look all these types of antennas up on the internet. I use the G5RV dipole. It's over 100 feet long, so you got to have a lot of room to put it up. In-fed antennas. like the MFJ 1982 LP, which I did a review of, it's over 130 feet. So you got to have roof for these antennas. So I hope this helps, and I want you to have a great day. If you have any additions or comments or corrections to things I've said, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.